What's up, guys? We got here today a Horizon Hobby Typhon 6S BLX 8th scale buggy. This thing is gonna be insane.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you guys think?
Yeah.
Definitely. It's
This thing with the 6S, this thing is gonna go ripping flying.
I would say.
Yeah.
I would say. This thing is, I mean, it's got 70 miles an hour right on the box. How could you beat that? 70 miles an hour. That's crazy. Man, I'll tell you. This thing, I've been wanting a buggy for a while, so I just, it was just like one thing we had to get it, Why not? This is a ready-to-run car. It's all set to go, so I really can't wait to get this thing out there. Bash, crash, and slash this thing, man.
Yeah.
This is nuts. So, this is our first Arrma also. We don't have one,
No.
and it was time to get one because they are really cool. A lot of features. We've got, on this box here, we got waterproof ESC on this car. We got a BLX 4074 2500 kV brushless motor. All right, we got a Spektrum controller. We got ADS 15M servo, waterproof. What's new on this car compared to the last one, I believe, is the motor. We got these awesome looking low drag wheels, hub nut O-rings. We got aluminum shock caps and protectors. We got a new forged composite style matte paint scheme, which I think this is a really good looking car. We got new high speed, low downforce wing and stronger mounts compared to the last car for this one. I say we just get into this thing. I mean, the tape's already cut on it. We can't lie, we did have this thing open because I couldn't wait to look at it. It was just, I mean, look at the box. Look at that thing. It's just sick. Totally sick.
Super epic car.
All right, so we're gonna pull this cover off and we are gonna see what this car is. You got your toolkit here. Now, to achieve the 70 mile an hours, you do have to change the pinion in optimum conditions, ground, air, all that stuff.
Yeah.
But I think that's really awesome. We are going to be running this car on 6S. You could run it on 2S times 2, 4S, but we are going to be breaking it out for its first run on 6S.
Yeah, 6S.
And we're going to bash, we're going to thrash, and hopefully we don't crash this thing, but it's probably going to happen.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
You think we're going to crash this thing, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, because we just broke, I just broke the slab.
Yep. Here is the other pinion you get. All right. You put that on there to go faster. I say, it's gonna be fast enough for 6S. Power.
Plenty of power.
Controller.
Plenty of power.
Throw some batteries in this thing, and you'll be ready to go. Got your Spektrum controller there.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, I'd say, right? All right, let's see what features we got on here. We got trim, all the normal stuff, basically. 4 AA batteries. Get your stealth rocking and rolling there.
Yeah.
Steering. Burp, 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 burp. Looks pretty good. All right. And now to pull out the car. Let's get this thing out of here, man.
Yeah.
I just can't wait to get this thing.
Those tires is
Oh
stuck.
my goodness. Look at that.
That thing is
Beautiful.
epic.
We don't need that cardboard anymore.
That thing.
Oh, no more parts. Look at that. That is awesome. I mean, guys, look at this thing. This thing is very, very good looking. Look at that car. Look at that body, suspension, tires, chassis. Arrma is, look at that. That's metal solid.
Yeah.
That's going to take a good bashing, I would say.
Yeah, if it scrapes the bottom of it, it won't even break.
No, hopefully not. Hopefully not.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that body.
Yeah.
That's very, very nice looking.
Yeah, and it's a pretty
Look.
small body.
Don't just bash, blast. Look at that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and it's a pretty small body.
All right, look at that. Now, we are going to be running some Traxxas batteries in this thing. So we already went ahead and put the Traxxas connectors on there so we could get this thing ripping.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to be able to just throw the batteries in here and get this thing rocking and rolling. Now, let's check out the suspension on that thing. Wow, that thing is so smooth. Look how smooth that is.
Yeah.
Right? Wow. This is a sweet looking car.
Yeah.
You got your on-off switch over here, your motor, your ESC, your steering servo. Transmission's right in the center. Look at those two metal drive shafts right in the center, guys.
Ooh.
Look at that. Wow. Sick car.
Yeah. Tires
Sick
are
car.
nice.
Some nice features on this car. Really
Tires
nice.
are nice.
Arrma makes a really good product. Really, really nice
It
product.
is really nice.
Yeah, we got a fan here, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just get that up close so you can see that fan on the ESC there. All right, guys. So, hey, go get yourself an RC. They're a lot of fun. Great hobby to get into. Have fun with the kids. You get fresh air outside, and there's a lot of different things you can do with these things. Upgrades, everything. So, we can't wait to run this car.
Alright guys, subscribe to our channel, JagRC Outdoor Adventures. Smash that like button and hit that bell.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned to our channel, JagRC Outdoor Adventures, because we got a lot of things coming. See ya.